Hey everyone, it's Alpha here, and on this video I'll show you how to recover a suspended Instagram account. So in case your account was suspended on a specific date and probably you haven't been able to recover it, then this video is for you. So I'll be taking through two solutions on how you can easily get back your suspended Instagram accounts. So we all know that Instagram accounts are usually suspended when they violate the community guidelines, but also they get suspended by mistake sometimes. So that's why the first solution is for you to disagree with the decision. So when you click on that, the first step is to confirm whether you're human. So that's why you'll be asked to tick whether you're not robot, and then also you select the specific images that they will tell you to select to make sure that you're able to recognize them. And then after that you can verify. So after verifying, the next thing is for you to enter your email. So the email that you used for opening your Instagram account, because they will need to confirm that it is yours. And it's also where they will send the confirmation code. So after entering the email, you click send code. So then they will send a code that you're going to fill in here. It's usually a 6-digit code or sometimes an 8-digit code. So you're going to open your Gmail app and then you check for that email from Instagram and then you copy that code. But in case you don't have access to that email, you'll always have the option to update the email address, because the major thing is for them to send the code that will help them identify the ownership of the account. So when you click update an email address, then you'll be able to put the email address that you're able to have access to at that instant. Otherwise, you're going to open the Gmail app, then you copy the code. So after entering the code, you click next. So then the next part is to enter your mobile number. So for this one too, they'll use for sending a confirmation code to that phone number. All these are the ones that are linked to your Instagram account. So you enter the number, then you click send code, then you enter the 6-digit confirmation code that they will send to that number too. But now you could be wondering why all this is necessary, but it's because sometimes Instagram accounts are hacked. So when someone hacks, they might post content that violates the community guidelines, which gets someone's Instagram account suspended. So when you submit all this information, it will help them identify that you're the real owner of the account. Then your information will be reviewed. So in about 24 hours or less, they will get back to you through an email, and in that email it will be a confirmation of you regaining access back to your Instagram account. So that was the first method. Now in the second method, you're going to open your Chrome browser or any browser, and then on the search bar you type Instagram account. So then from there you select the second option, my Instagram account was deactivated. So then under that you click the option of send. So then you will have the option to fill in a form that contains your Instagram details. So when you click send, then here now you will have to put your contact information, and then also you describe the issue. And after submitting all these details, I'm going to put this, or you can pause the video so that you can copy exactly what I typed here, and then you submit. So it will be the same process. Then under choose file, you will have to make sure that you choose a screenshot of that part which shows that your Instagram account was disabled. So I'll put this description so that you can copy, so you can pause the video and then you submit. Then still after 24 hours, Instagram should be able to get back to you with a reply. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and also share this video to your friends.